Hello and welcome back. So we were kind of messing around in Google Classroom and I wanted to share how to get your assignments done because apparently we've been having some issues. I want to teach you the surefire, don't care what subscriptions you have, way to get your work done. Now, this works with either DocHub or Kami. So if you're using Google Chrome, I hope you're using Google Chrome. I'm not going to get into an argument about why the others are not as good, but everything we do is Google based. So Google Chrome will work more effective for you. Um, I find that Kami works better just because it's what I like. If you're better with DocHub, the process is the same thing that we're going to do. So whenever we go to check our work, we're going to go to classroom.google.com and we sign in. I'm perma signed in, which is amazing. And now some classes I teach, some classes I'm in. I want to be a student, so I look for my teacher's name, Miss Bostick. There it is. I'm going to click on her math class and I'm going to go to classwork. Oh, and that's the other thing. Remember the Zoom link? Look for Zoom link for class, okay? If there's something else in here like tutoring or whatever, it's probably not going to get you into the class. Anyway, Zoom link for classes, and we're going to go to an assignment. So here I see warm up 2.1 through 2.5. So we're going to work on this one throughout the week. I'm going to open it up. And see, I've already got Kami, but you can use DocHub or you can connect with more apps. Lumen's another one, but it's not as cool. Don't use Google Docs. Google Docs will completely mess up this thing. So DocHub or Kami are what you really need to do. If you don't have DocHub or Kami, you can click Connect More Apps and search it online. It'll pull it up and you can install it real easy. So Kami is what we're going to look at. And I am going to... There it goes. It downloads. I don't want to run OCR because that's optical character recognition. That just, it'll translate these from pictures into actual letters. And I don't need to do that. So I'm going to pick my little drawing. I'm going to pick the color I want. Some teachers may want you to use different colors if you have that option. Some of the math we do, I absolutely like different colors. So anyway, about how wide is this paper? Well, this is kind of funny because on the computer screen it doesn't work out as well. That being said, we can assume it's about 9 inches, okay? Because a real paper is about 9 inches. How many lines of symmetry does this shape have? Do you know what symmetry is? It's whenever we flip something over. So if I can cut it like that and both sides are about the same. I can cut it like that and both sides are about the same. So this is 2. Anyway, we've done a couple things on here. So now it's automatically saved. It automatically updated this. But when I go to click turn in and turn in, it's going to pop this up telling me I have to upgrade to teacher plan. You don't actually have to do that, okay? But things get a little bit more complicated. So what you have to do is you have to download it. Okay, and now that we've got this pulled up, we're going to save with annotations, and we want to begin the export. Oh wait, for you, those of you doing Chromebooks, just choose Google Drive, and that'll work because some of the laptops don't have hard drives on them. So we'll save it to Google Drive. So it's processing. So I'm going to open my Google Drive. And it's here. Oh, look, Kami export. Let me double check. Oh, and look, my answers are already there. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to the class, view assignment. I'm going to add it, and I want from my Google Drive. And if I go to recent, it'll be the very first one there, Kami export. And if you really want to be nice to your teachers, delete the first one because we don't need to know that. We don't need that one. But look, verify, my answers are already there, and I'm going to click turn in. And voila, It is now turned in. So you don't have to pay for Kami to be able to use it. Just make sure that you're downloading it to your Google Drive and then actually uploading it to your assignment before you click submit. DocHub works the same way. Just make sure you download it, upload it, is what it is. I hope this helps for you. Don't forget, click like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'll see you in class tomorrow.